My name is Daniel Gjert Nielsen, and I'm the product manager of the Treble SDK. You are probably working in audio development, either as a hardware engineer, machine learning specialist, signal processing, traditional DSP, and so on. And you know that requires a lot of effort to make these cutting-edge products. You also probably know that data quality and realism is very important when you're working on the next generation of AI, DSP, and hardware. I would guess that often you rely on measurements and measurement campaigns to do these large data acquisitions to get the correct data and get the correct insights for these devices. But these measurement efforts are very resource heavy on a large scale. So that's why we have developed this feature to give much quicker insights on how your device performs in these complex acoustic environments, but also enabling large data acquisition efforts targeted towards machine learning with device-specific impulse responses. And we're very proud to have developed this feature in collaboration with some of our early customers. And these customers are some of the biggest companies in the audio tech industry. And we're very happy to have a mature feature now that we can share with everyone. It allows you to render in a device or a prototype into a simulation of, for example, a restaurant or a virtual laboratory and so on. So a very complex environment. But the game changer here is that you do not have to re-simulate every time you do an augmentation of your device. Meaning, for example, if I want to rotate my device around to get angle-dependent input, I can do that in post-processing, taking just a few seconds. Similarly, I can swap out my device in these complex environments. So if I want to do data acquisition for a smart speaker with 3 and 6 microphones, I can just render in the device in post-processing, and also in a few seconds I can get this device-specific output. There's no reason to re-simulate for me. Then that saves me a lot of time, but it also saves me a lot of cost. So that's quite a nice part of this feature. Being a post-processing feature, this enables very fast workflows. It's traceable, but it also enables you to do very rigorous testing of prototypes in complex environments, because you can get a very you can say detailed insights, because you can do more with the time that you have. It also enables you to get these device-specific data for your various devices. When you want to create this large data set for machine learning training, you can simply render in your devices into thousands and thousands of scenarios and get all the data you need for your training.